ADC Department of Sports EM Suhel Debbarma and EM Bhaba Ranjan Reang visited the Astroturf football stadium which is under construction at Baijalbari village. The construction work will be soon completed, says the ADC EM Suhel Debbarma. On the last 17 November 2022, Maharaja Pradyut Kishore Debbarma has inaugurated the foundation stone of Maharaja Radha Kishore Manikya Stadium with the vision for establishing Astroturf football stadium at Baijalbari village. Over 5 crore 36 lakh rupees was spent for establishing the stadium. However, the construction of the new Astroturf football stadium is being delayed because the construction is going on under a single contractor in Khorang and Baijalbari, which is why the ADC Department of Sports EM Suhel Debbarma and EM Bhaba Ranjan Reang visited the Astroturf football stadium which is under construction at Baijalbari village. The construction work will be soon completed, says the ADC EM Suhel Debbarma.
Kwai junal lian dara chini Baijalbari sabjuni bisingo chini TTAD se hapang ni bukhakte chini Bhaba garani naikol phangbai chini honorable CM ni tidlung bai chini Baijalbari amche chengkaisa football stadium manka tabo aboni samung choli tongo thane jaro cheng chini Bhaba garabain phai chengoro je foundation je o stone cheng kai lekha o jagabo ngai tabo aboni samung choli tongo gamona cheng immediately samung dakti parina bagai chini football thengkrung bagai cheng kaisa kaham yusi tongo tate chini je Astroturf je stadium ma thangai tongo jagabo anbai cheng tini o samung cheng chini honorable EM borongwanang Ranjan Reang te chini sports department ni PO te chini green engineer te Khorang engineer tongo te chini social activist tok bore palklai chingoro visit khlai peke jahate ching o stadium ching daki na complete khlai bus kango ching chini thengkrung rong bagai chingoro borongno snamnai no
budget tok busu kamon
chinoro budget tongo 5 crore 36 lakh 49,000 oven budget obo tabuk samung choli tongo kai immediately samung paina bagi borok bo docking tolai tongo watirong
tai busu rok nang nobo paini
borong to ko watiro kring ke to docking paini bok saja kintu wating bagi bor kam bisi kesar masar stopong ito teom haino khumulong bo kahe choli tongo a khumulong ma Astroturf je stadium abu almost complete na nai to kha aboti 30 days mission roga bo completing na aboni agolo bo chengti chini TTAD sa habon sports department bo khakti bo cheng aro cheng TFL cheng chengna thangai tong aboni agolo
oma hai stadium tabusu jora koita rok tangja
cheng chini TTAD sa habon bo khakti cheng tinta cheng jepuro TTAD sa habon cheng Tripura ta phakya afro ang sabai tang ani sports and youth affairs department bo khati projects namani aun bisingo cheng pasta sanction ka phiaba pasta sanction phano cheng joto malia state of Basnar ka cheng tinta rohman bisingo bo kaisa khumulung ka kaisa Baijalbari te kaisa kilang na tomani abo kisa a jaga bongni aroni MLA ni problem ni bagai cheng aro samung khlaimeng to hopefully bus kango cheng aro khlaima ni khaklai.
EM Suhel Debbarma further told that the new Astroturf football stadium of Khorang will be completed with the coming month. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.